When you hear the phrase passive income, you might think of real estate or dividend stocks, assets that require significant upfront capital long before they return a single cent. This diagram shows the alternative. By using free digital distribution channels, you can bypass the traditional requirement for investment capital. This model relies on digital infrastructure rather than financial leverage. To build this system today, you need three components: a single-page digital asset, a free platform to host it, and an internet connection. Over the next few minutes, we will use these tools to build a digital asset capable of receiving real transactions. Step 1 is identifying your asset. Open your computer and find a simple document you've already created, perhaps a one-page checklist, an email template, or a set of instructions. Do not try to write a full guide or an ebook right now. The goal is to set up the system. Perfection of the product can wait until the infrastructure is live. Go to the File menu in your word processor, locate the Export settings, and convert your document into a static PDF file. To confirm this step is complete, find that new PDF. Move it onto your computer desktop so it is easy to find in the next step. Using a simple one-page document helps avoid overcomplicating the process. It allows you to focus on the technical setup without getting stuck on content creation. Now we need a place to host the asset. Platforms like Gumroad use a revenue share model, meaning they take a small percentage only when you make a sale. This allows you to host products without paying monthly fees. Navigate to your chosen platform and create an account using your email address. These platforms usually offer a guided tour. You can close that pop-up immediately and look at the sidebar to find the Products tab. Select the option to create a new product. Give it a title that clearly describes what the document contains. Find the File Upload section. Drag your PDF from the desktop directly into the platform. Add a 2-sentence description below the upload. This tells potential buyers exactly what they are getting. With that upload complete, your account is now configured to act as a merchant. You have a storefront ready to process orders without any financial risk. If you are starting without an audience, you need a pricing strategy that encourages downloads. We will use the Pay What You Want model. In the pricing module, actively switch the setting that allows customers to choose their own price. Set the minimum accepted price to $0. This diagram shows the logic. A fixed price acts as a barrier for new visitors. A $0 minimum allows everyone to access the file, while also creating a tip jar effect for users who choose to pay. Go to the top of the page and select Publish. The platform will provide a unique URL for your product. Copy this link to your clipboard. Using a $0 minimum is a way to test interest in your asset. It prioritizes downloads and data over immediate profit during the initial launch. Before sharing the link, you must verify that the checkout process works correctly. Open an incognito or private browser window. This ensures you are viewing the page as a customer, not as the account owner. Paste your link and load the page. You are confirming that the checkout sequence functions and the product is ready for delivery. This URL is now a functional point of sale. It is set up to handle file delivery and payment processing automatically. Take your verified link and add it to your social media profiles. You have now established the technical infrastructure needed to begin generating revenue from zero.